a video on mashed potatoes. So I was thinking the other day that mashed potatoes are really nice with lots of butter in them. But why do we use butter? Why don't we use other fats? And I'd also done an experiment making a cake with lard instead of butter, and it worked well. And it worked really well. So let's try making some mashed potatoes. And okay, yeah, what else I thought was that we use animal fats like beef dripping to make chips or roast potatoes, sauté potatoes. So we cook potatoes in an animal fat, but we don't add the animal fat to the potatoes to enrich them like we do with butter. So let's have a go. So I've got, I need a spoon. That'll do. This is the bacon fat from Christmas Day. So that's going to go in. So that's delicious already. So that's going to go in. I'm not going to put those little brown bits in the bottom, but that's going to go in because that's going to be delicious. There's some brown bits gone in. That's fine. And then this is a bit of chicken fat. People will be horrified about how much fat I'm going to put in this, but I don't care. I don't care. It's the secret of, to be honest, it's the secret of good cooking. And then we need some salt in. I didn't season the water, so we need plenty of salt in. And then we'll move that off. It might just bang everywhere. And then we'll just mash potatoes, and we'll see how they end up tasting. Yeah, so I've seen chefs use like beef dripping in salad dressings, which I find a bit weird because salads are cold and beef dripping is going to solidify if you put it on cold things. So I don't know how. I don't know. Maybe like you can make lardo, which is cured pig's fat. Might have a go at that sometime. But it's cured pig's fat, and then you can use that in salads and things. But the idea of actually using beef dripping in a salad just seems a bit weird. But adding it to mashed potatoes doesn't seem that weird to me. So there's a more. Some more. I'll be able to guess by the consistency, and then we've got some chicken fat. So I'm using up the bits of fat that I've got first. The chicken fat's delicious. Right. I'm going to put in about enough fat to be going on with. I want it really rich. Really should have had a bigger pan, but my pans are being used for other things. The homemade lard that I make in the chicken fat, it's as nice as butter, if I'm honest, so it should work. Okay. More fat. And more salt. I just need to turn that pan down at the back. Yeah, so you make things like bubble and squeak as well, and you use dripping in that. So that's smashed up, well, not mashed potatoes, but smashed up potatoes. So why not beef dripping mashed potatoes? Right, taste. Clean my fingers. And it's for me, so I can stick my fingers in. It's just not got the richness of butter. So you can see how much fat I put in. If it all been that bacon fat, it would have been better, but I didn't have any more bacon fat. That's really nice. That's really nice, is that? So we don't have to. Need a bit more salt. People would be horrified if they knew how much salt chefs put in things. But it is the secret of good cooking. Well, one of the secrets of good cooking. Yeah, that works. That's lovely. That's lovely. I'll probably now watch a video on YouTube that's 10 years old of someone doing exactly the same. But there we go. Delicious, it works. We can use animal fats in mashed potatoes.